Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin. First, let's rule out all possible devices. As you can see, I do have Bluetooth enabled and I do have these earbuds here. Now whenever I will open them, they should automatically connect to my device. Now, what you probably don't know is that usually all of some sort of headphones, earbuds and whatever have microphone and speakers, and they are by default the one receiving the input. So, for example, your microphone from the phone shouldn't really be working right now. Instead, the sound should be coming only through the headphones, earbuds or other Bluetooth devices. So the easiest way to fix that is to simply disable the Bluetooth, and now every single device is disconnected from our phone and it's out of the picture. So now let's actually focus on the microphone itself. We can test the sound quality by going into our recorder application, which is by default the application that should be on every single Redmi phone. And now we want to simply click play. And now you want to test your microphone. You can test if it's recording correct, if it has some sort of any visual glitches, or maybe not visual glitches, but sound glitches. Maybe it suddenly cuts off, maybe it farts, maybe it gives some random sounds. It doesn't really matter. Because whenever we save it and we listen back to it, and now you want to test your microphone. You can test if it's recording correct. Okay, I'm not going to bother with listening that again, but basically the idea is that you want to do a little diagnostic test, because like the basic microphone not working is a little bit too vague, don't you think? And you need more information about the microphone itself. If it's completely dead, then you want to check your permissions, if you have every single permission for actually using the microphone itself. If it's partially dead, then it also depends on how you actually understand partially dead. Maybe it's just very low volume. Then you probably want to clean the microphone port with some sort of non-metallic tool. However, if you have any other issues, you can just look those specific issues up and hopefully you should get help. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.